Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have JBL Clip 4 and I'm going to show you how to forget this device from your Windows. So, we don't have to be connected, so our speaker can be turned off. Or we don't have to have it with us. Now we have to go into the setting of our Windows. Now we have to go into devices. Now, as you can see, we're connected with our JBL Clip 4, but if we are not, it will be to here. Now we have to click on it and click remove device. Now we have to click yes. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!